Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TickPick how to sell tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your TickPick app, and then be sure to log into your account as well. So once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the sale option on the top of the screen, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option that says add listing on the top bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is enter the ticket details, and once you have entered the ticket details, all you gotta do is set your price and then confirm. You can set your desired price and confirm the listing, and once that's done, your listing will be available for purchase on the TickPick community. And once a person has selected your ticket, you will be paid through the proper channels. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.